Handsome Homebuyer here at 120 First Street in Huntington Station in the middle of our beautifully renovated, gut renovated, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, full finished basement, outside entrance, central AC, legal man cave house with a basement shack, whatever it is unbelievable. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is having a comprehensive team of people. If you're gonna be in any business, but in our case, real estate, it's very important that you have a comprehensive team of people that can help you, because none of us can do this by ourselves. None of us can be successful alone. So today, I got the man, the myth, the legend, Coldwell banker, Dan O'Neill Residential, #1 realtor, or if not soon to be, by the end of 2020 on Long Island, and Eric Braun, not your average lender. He's my brother-in-law's cousin's cousin. And we're gonna take you through this unbelievable renovation, show you the ins, the outs, and explain to you our process of how Dan gets the most amount of money possible, how the team renovates it to perfection, and how we make sure it actually closes, and closes fast.
Oh yeah, let's do it. All right, everybody, welcome to 120 First Street here in Huntington Station, New York. Right from the beginning, right when you enter this brand new renovated home, you have this spacious kitchen with quartz backsplash, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, all high quality finishes. We have 3 bedrooms here and 2 full baths. So you have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. And then follow me to take a look at this beautiful and completely renovated bathroom. Shout out to Charles, Captain Permit, his design team. This is immaculate. And then continuing on, we have this full finished basement. This wide open space was completely renovated and finished. You have your 2nd bathroom down here and your washer, dryer, and laundry room. Everything is made for total convenience. Everything is brand new, central air, heating system, hot water heater, no expense spared. Follow me for the coolest part of this whole house. So in my opinion, this is the coolest part of this entire project. So as I mentioned previously, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Taxes are under $10,000. List price is gonna be $399. $990. And not only do you have the full finished basement, but you have a completely separate man cave. Bam, look at this thing. This is cool. You can't get much better than this. Look at this. This is a glorified man cave. I'm in.
So, comprehensive team, like I said at the beginning, is absolutely vital. So my team came in, renovated this place to perfection, passed the ball to Dan.
Yeah, and then we, myself and the O'Neill team, we advertise the house, we sell the crap out of it. We're gonna sell it for probably $30,000 to $40,000 over asking. And then to make sure that the buyer that we do select and that we do choose is vetted, pre-approved, and that they're actually going to close on the house, we then pass it off to Eric, and then Eric and his team will then take it from there. And
let me preface this by 1 minute by saying that I've been having some deals that have been falling through. So recently I had
It's a sensitive subject.
Yes. I had a house under contract for 3 months. The other lender couldn't get it done. I passed the ball to Eric, and he is actually getting it done. We're gonna be closing in about a week from now in record time. So that's why it's super important to have somebody like him screening everybody. And what do you do to screen everybody?
So first thing that we always look at is income. I think that's the most important thing, right? So there's loan officers and salespeople's interpretation of the borrower's income or the buyer's income, and then there's an underwriter's interpretation of the income. So what often happens is you have loan officers that don't really know how to calculate it, or they just eyeball it, or they don't even get pay stubs, and they're just taking the borrower's or the buyer's word for I make $40,000 a year, $50,000, whatever it is, and then they base the pre-qualification or the pre-approval on that. So the first thing we have to knock out, I always say that DTI or debt to income ratio is the most important. It's not about how much the buyer's putting down. It's not about, if it's going FHA or if it's going conventional. The debt to income ratio is the debt to income ratio, and it has to work. So first thing we do is calculate income and make sure that's squared away. We do that by collecting the right documents up front, so pay stubs, tax returns, W-2s, taking a full application, and making sure that they actually do have the ability to repay the loan. That's the most important part of the qualification that I think is overlooked often. So we do that by selecting maybe the top few offers, and then make sure that they can actually close. Because often right now, you have buyers that are overly excited, they're putting in crazy high offers, there's tons of offers on the table, and it's all about selecting the right one that can actually close so you don't end up with a 3-4 month deal.
I mean, if this house didn't close, we still have a sick man cave that we could potentially live in, so I mean.
So
Just kidding.
you can take the top floor, you can live in the bottom floor, and I'll live in the back.
Yeah.
I'm easy. I'm a minimalist.
This is an amazing house, an amazing team, and you guys did an unbelievable job, and now it's on our side of things to get it done and bring it home. They closed.
So that concludes our tour and the collaboration. 120 First Street, Huntington Station. Open house is going to be
Sunday, 12 to 2 o'clock.
I'm Charles Weinraub, AKA the Handsome Homebuyer, AKA Captain Permit, and we've put together the best possible team for this house. Captain Permit on the permits, Handsome Homebuyer team with the renovations, acquisitions, Dan O'Neill team, Coldwell Banker Residential, listing and selling this thing for 30, 40, maybe 50 over ask.
Maybe 50, probably 60.
260, yeah.
And my man Eric Braun, not your average lender, from Contour Mortgage, screening everything that comes in the door to make sure we get the most money possible, but make sure that we close quickly, easily, and on time. Gentlemen,
Always a pleasure.
you guys fucking rock.
Thank you.
Sunday,
12 to 2. See you then.